What is up, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about the total crypto market cap and running over where I think total crypto market cap could head over the next 5 years or so. So without further ado, if you are not a subscriber to this channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also share it with your friends, and we will get straight into today's video. So total crypto market cap did reach about $3 trillion at the peak of the cryptocurrency market expansion. Now, just to give you guys an idea, when I first got into crypto back in the day, we only had a $3 billion total market cap. So to go from 3 billion to 3 trillion is quite the expansion and growth. However, just so you guys know, developing technologies start very small in market cap and then end up being very large down the road. So I'm pretty interested in a realistic kind of target for the total market cap over the next 5 years, give or take, and where cryptocurrency as a market is going. And one of the best tools that I know of for projecting market cycles and where price can go is Elliott wave theory. So let's start by counting the Elliott waves. We have a 1 wave here, a 2 wave. That was the first big cycle back in 2017 where we made a lot of money investing in the markets. Shout out to all the people that have been watching my channel for a long time and know what that was all about. And then we had the 2021 bull run, which was also very exciting, very profitable, which gave us our 3 wave. And then our 4 wave comes back down onto wave 1 for support. It can retrace slightly below as long as it's a wick in the larger time frame like we see here. And now we're expecting a 5th wave in the market, or final impulse in crypto. Now, when I say a final impulse, that doesn't mean that after this impulse happens, cryptocurrency will just stop growing and the technology is going to be gone and it'll be gone forever. What that really means is that as far as the macro cycle goes, the 5th wave is the last macro impulse in the macro cycle. Now, just to give you guys an idea of what that will look like, a 5th wave is going to recover at roughly the same rate that it crashed at. So we took about a year between wave 3 and wave 4. It could take another year for us to get back up to 3 trillion in total market cap. But once we really start accelerating here in the crypto markets, the 5th wave is actually going to be very profitable. There's this thing called an extended 5th wave, and this is the #1 pattern that we see in the crypto markets. It's also common across commodities like gold or silver, and we also see it in cryptocurrency every single cycle. Whether it's a micro cycle or a macro cycle, we always see this pattern. And so that 5th wave is going to be actually larger than wave 1 or wave 3 and will extend much, much bigger and higher than those waves extended, which basically means that we could head up to 7 trillion, 8 trillion, and even 10 trillion in total crypto market cap. Now, like I said, that could take 5 years. The cycle could be quite large. It could last all the way until 2029, 2028, in fact. However, that is where I believe total crypto market cap is headed in the big picture. This is what the macro cycle is clearly showing. And so this is where I 100% expect the total cryptocurrency market cap to go. And it's going to be a lot of fun. If you guys were there during the 2017 bull run, that was a lot of fun. Or even the 2021 bull run. We all made a lot of money. We had a really good time. And it really changed a lot of lives financially in a big way, in a very meaningful way. And so this 5th wave being even bigger, longer, and potentially wider as well, it's going to be a really good time. So I've talked a lot about the roaring 20s that occurred before the Great Depression in 1929. That's also what I'm expecting in the crypto total market cap. A roaring 20s in between now and 2029 is basically what these charts are showing. But when that actually stops happening and when this all tops out, including the stock market, the crash that's coming in stocks, the crash that will be coming in the crypto markets, markets will be bigger than the COVID drop. It'll be bigger than the crash we had over the past year. Instead of it being a recession, it'll be an actual depression. So the charts are set up in such a way that we can make money. We can have another large and long, extended, profitable wave where a lot of people make a lot of money very easily in the crypto markets and in a lot of stocks as well. But ultimately, all of this FOMO, all of this craziness that's going on in the world will lead to a Great Depression event. And that's what I 100% expect to happen with the total market cap in crypto as well as the stock market as a whole. So the name of the game is to be investing right now while things are down, while there's a lot of blood in the streets, in preparation for that Roaring 20s event, because it's going to be bigger than the first wave, than the 3 wave, and it's going to be a lot of fun. But you have to be aware that because of that crazy market conditions and these profitable conditions, there will be a large crash coming afterwards. So that's kind of my view on the total crypto market cap as well as the stock market as a whole. I believe that we have 5, 6, 7 years, give or take, pretty much till 2029 would be my kind of number to watch for until the whole stock market and the crypto markets pull back. But right now, there's a lot of blood in the streets. There's a lot of opportunity, and there's another big wave coming, just like the Roaring 20s. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some value in it. Apply for the mastermind below. It's just a simple form you fill out. We meet every single Saturday and learn how to invest hands-on. It's a great program, a great community to get profiting in these markets and learning right away. So I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. Hit that like button for me, share it with your friends, and as always, stay profitable out there.